So, long story short. Short story even shorter. We have a format on Instagram which is breakdown, and it's something like this, where we just break down the hottest track at the moment, okay? And this was September. And September went like this. I like the mood fit Ian Dior, but let's be honest, Wack Ass have been just more popular, and so I didn't want to make a breakdown of the track because it's
ridiculous.
I don't like it. It's famous, okay, it's popular, but I just don't like it, and this is how it sounds. Okay, that bass, I just can't stand that 808. It's garbage! So I thought that it was a good idea to fix that. And here's my version. So definitely better, and so let's see how I made this kick slash 808. So it's a rough thing, so I just took the original track and I high passed at 168 and 223 with a higher slope and a smoother slope, and the track sounds like this. So I just couldn't remove all the bass because it has a lot of harmonics, and if I wanted to cut all the bass, I would have removed much of the vocal's body. So I had to find this compromise. Then there's the kick. It's a simple kick, okay. It sounded like this. Saturator and gate to make it tighter. Then there's the hot part, which is the 808. So let's just deconstruct it quickly. It's a sine wave. Okay. And then there's this mixture of a square wave and a saw wave, which by itself sounds like this. And with the sine wave sounds like this. Okay, and here's the filtering. So this without the filtering sounds like this, which is pretty harsh. And I have this 12 dB OSR module, which is a type of distortion. And then I have this other one. To me, it's more controlled. And okay, here's the envelope. Here's a little boost at the harmonic sitting at 100 Hertz. And here's some sidechain. So here's the final result again. You fucking with some wet ass pussy. So the original 808 is quite rumbly, and I don't know if it was wanted, if it was just the best they could do. I want to believe that it's wanted because at such a high level you just can find someone that can do an 808 like I did, but I can't even stand it, and I don't know if it's part of its success. I don't think. I don't think. And That's it for this video. Maybe you will find a download link for the project file if you want to grab the 808 or maybe just the 808 preset, I don't know. And see you in the next video.